In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay video in Canva. Overlaying a video simply means placing one video on top of another, almost like picture in picture. This is really useful if you want to show your face camera in the corner while a main video plays in the background, or if you want to add a smaller clip on top of a larger scene for emphasis. I'll walk you through the process step by step in a simple and clear way, so you can follow along even if you're new to Canva. First, open Canva and create or open a design where you want to work with video. This could be a video project with the correct size for your platform, like a YouTube thumbnail-sized video, a vertical video for social media, or any custom dimensions you prefer. Once your canvas is open, look to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll see the main toolbar that lets you add different things to your design. To bring in your videos, click on the Uploads option on that left-hand panel. This is where you can add media files from your computer or device. If you haven't uploaded your videos yet, use the Upload button to select the files you need. Give Canva a moment to process them. You'll see them appear in the Upload section as small thumbnails. Next, click once on the first video you want to use as your main background or base video. Canva will automatically place it onto your canvas. You can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners so that it fills the entire canvas or fits exactly how you'd like it to appear. Take a second to position this base video the way you want, because this will be the foundation for your overlay. Now, select the second video from your uploads. This is the video you want to overlay on top of the first one. Click on it, then drag and drop it directly onto your existing design. You'll see it appear above the first video. From here, you can click and drag the corners to resize it and move it to any position on the screen, such as a corner or the center, depending on your design idea. Once everything looks good, play back your design to preview how the two videos work together. Adjust the size and position of the overlay until you're happy with the result. Then you're ready to export or share your finished video.